Hey, what up you guys, it's your boy Endspyre back at again with a daily motivational, inspirational video. Hope you guys are having a good day, and if you're watching the video, hope all your dreams come true. Without further ado guys, if you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, join the Endspyre family where we get better, do better, and be better. Let's get it started. Today I want to talk to you guys about 6 things you need to master before the year end or before the year begin. Number 1, you need to accept what cannot be changed and just focus on what could be changed. Focus on the things that you're able to control, not what you can't control. Like for example, death. You know death is gonna be a part of life. It's gonna hurt when somebody passes away, but you can't linger on to that for the rest of your life. You gotta learn how to cope with that and then try to move forward. The memories will always exist, but death inevitable. Number 2, you need to take care of yourself. Because when you take care of yourself, that's self-care, that's self-love, and that's self-respect. Number 3, be with people who like you for who you are. The people that you don't have to impress. Number 4, sometimes you got to be your own motivation, man. Sometimes the support, you can't get it from anybody else, get it from yourself. Be your own hype man. Number 5, let go of anything that's toxic in your life, or that doesn't even serve you any purpose. Something that's gonna ruin your health, that's ruining your mental well-being. Learn to let that go, guys. Last but not least, guys, number 6, and that's self-discipline. When you master self-discipline, you'll master temptation. You'll master how to say no. You'll master how to love yourself more. You'll master everything in your life just because you're, self-disciplined. And that's very important, guys. Just know that that's very, very powerful for you to have discipline in your life. Because if you want to stay healthy, and your friends are calling you to go party and stuff like that, it get very tempting. But when you're disciplined, you're like, I'm good, man. I need to take care of my health first. I'll party once every full moon or something. See that? It's discipline. And with that being said, guys, I hope you guys can master something very positive in your life. Do good for your soul so the universe can send you everything that's abundance. Like, comment, subscribe, and join the Endspyre family, man, where we get better, we do better, and we be better. See you guys tomorrow in the next motivational, inspirational video on the daily. One love, y'all. Peace.